what's really important here with this conversation is for everyone to maybe remember that no method is going to be 100% perfect, with the exception of digging every single pipe up and putting eyes on every single pipe. No method of classification is going to be 100% perfect. So where there's true value, I think, in using predictive modeling is that, compared to just using historical records, for example, that we can really quantify the probability, the risk, the confidence down to 0.1%, where in comparison, just using the historic record example, there's not really any way for water systems to know how accurate their historic records are when guiding their decision making. We actually find that oftentimes historic records can be grossly inaccurate. So if you're using inaccurate records to drive your decision making and replacement strategy and things like that, it can really cause you to spend a lot of more time and money and resources to remediate lead, or to prove that you don't have lead, which is an even bigger cost to prove that you don't have lead.
Another thing that we do because of what you were just saying is we compare our machine learning models to baseline models that have heuristics that one might use instead of a model, and even compare to just using historical records or something like that. And we do this when we're building models, but we can also use this bootstrapping method and other types of methods that look at sampling non-randomly to try to drill down at certain questions about how the model will or won't generalize across different features of a population. We can, not only say this is how we'd expect these thresholds with this model to perform in the field, but also this is how much better this will do than using a simple heuristic like older homes tend to have lead, or depending only on historical records and not bringing other information in.